Alright, so we're back at the garage, and we have Mr. All-Star Builder here, Daniel Ball. Yeah, we got the 2 parts here. Go in that motor there. So, we're putting it together. Hopefully everything's gonna turn out alright. Hopefully. Give it a full rev the first time, he floored.
Yo!
I was like, that's an interesting theory you got there.
No, that's not how you do it, sir. This is freezing.
That's cool. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Can't imagine that's gonna be. Hey guys, back here again, Jordan from Awesome Motoring, and we want to bring you guys a little company that we partnered up with, Atypical Man. So they make products like watches, bracelets, all different types of things that I think that you guys will kind of like. So we'll showcase some of the products here. They're really good quality. You know, you can wear them casually, you can wear them formally. It's really like a versatile type product line that they have offering. So yeah, we just basically want to show you guys what the products look like, and we want to bring us a discount code for it too, because we can't just leave you promoting this without, you know, giving you a little something too. So we have our code Monster Motoring, have it right underneath here so you can see it. We'll link the whole website. The website is easy to use, nice, you know, and buy the products, put it in the cart, put in our code, you'll get a nice percentage off your purchase. So go check it out. Well, here continuing this video, and we got food from a hipster coffee place. We should have known better. We're like, there's so many lines. Oh no, the line is so long, so obviously their food must be good. It's like a coffee shop, and it's all drive-in. So I'm wondering, I'm like, this, like, there's so many cars here, and like they're all kind of expensive. So I should have known better when I asked them for a burrito. And we paid $22 for this burrito, and it came out like this. This thing is the size of, it's small. You see this? Look at that. That looked like a $22 burrito. We could've went to Taco Bell, and we could've, oh man.
So good.
And then this, right here, it's not even filled to the top. Where you see the little like warmer right here? Or, you know, the hand protector or whatever? That's how much it's filled. So you can say I'm upset. At least, does it taste good at least?
It's mostly egg.
Oh my goodness. coming out.
Wish that would have worked. I could probably pick up the whole freaking engine.
Yeah, that makes no sense. This is crazy.